Yes, students. Firstly, we have talked about the factual writing. Now we will see what is imaginative writing. Imaginative writing essay is a fiction. It is actually a fiction. Now you know what is fiction. Fiction is imaginative things that is not in the reality, but you are imagining in your mind. That is fiction. So actually it's a type of short story. Students are asked to imagine on a particular historical or fantastic situation. You are asked to write on the particular situation. You have to imagine on the particular situation. So here you are asked to imagine on the particular situation or fantastic situation, like the particular fantastic situation or particular historical situation, and with the rest of this, and then afterward you have to write the full story regarding that. So it is actually a fiction, and it is actually a short story on which you have to imagine, and then you have to write your experiences, ideas regarding that. For example, in these above tenses, writer has the freedom. Here you are free to use your imagination and creation. You are free to use your imagination and creation. Your personal ideas, creation, imagination, all you can use in this imaginative writing. For example, if you were the president of the universe for one day, this is the topic for this. For example, because you have to imagine only. So imagination, first of all, you have to think about that matter. Like for example, if you were the president of whole universe for one day, means you have to think like that. You are the president of the whole universe for one day. What new rules would you make? What new rules would you make? So this is the topic for the imaginative writing. What you have to do? Firstly, you have to think about the imagination. Like firstly you have to give the introduction, like everybody have some imagination in their mind. I also have imagination like this. So you have to create your imagination in your mind. Firstly you have to give the introduction regarding that. Then in next paragraph you have to write about this topic, like I would like to be the president of the whole universe. And then you have to, what you will do, your ideas, your rules, what you are thinking in your mind that you can do in that time. That all the things you have to create in your mind, and then you have to explain in that body part. And then 3-4 paragraphs regarding body part of this topic, and then you have to conclude the topic, like this, with this imagination, if it will be happen, I will be doing that. So this is your conclusion regarding this topic. So this is your imaginative writing. In this you can write about your personal and creative ideas. Then imaginative writing, this is can be divided into following categories further. What are that categories? Categories of imaginative writing. So this topic you have to write at home. Imaginative writing. Firstly we have discussed factual writing. Now categories of imaginative writing, that are descriptive essays, descriptive, narrative, and then reflective, essays, impressionistic, essays, then argumentative, essays, and then critical essays and critical essays. So these are the types of imaginative essays. That's all for today's session, and these types we will discuss in the next session. So now what you have to do, which topic I gave you in the video, these 3 topics you have to prepare at home for your practice. Thank you. Have a nice day.